Welcome all. I am Dr. C. Janita Nancy, Assistant Professor and Head, belonging to the Department of Mathematics, PPG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see the topic differentiation with easy problems. What is differentiation? It is the process of finding the rate of change of a function. The result is called the derivative, denoted as f dash of x or dy by dx. Geometrically, the derivative gives the slope of the tangent to the curve. It measures how a quantity changes with respect to another. Now we are going to see what is the first principle's definition. It is f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Now the notation and key terms. F dash of x is the derivative of f with respect to x. Dy by dx is the Leibniz notation, which is the rate of change of y with respect to x. Delta x is called as a small change in the variable x. H tends to 0 is the increment approaches 0 in the limit definition. Now we are seeing the basic differentiation rules. Power rule, d by dx of x bar n is equal to nx by n minus 1. Constant rule, d by dx of a constant is equal to 0. Constant multiple, d by dx of k into f of x is equal to k into f dash of x. Sum and difference, d by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x is equal to f dash of x plus or minus g dash of x. We are going to see the standard derivatives. Derivative of x bar n is n x bar n minus 1. Derivative of e bar x is e bar x. Derivative of ln x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. And derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Now we are going to see the first problem. D by dx of x bar 4. We are going to apply the power rule. D by dx of x bar n is equal to n x bar n minus 1. When we compare the question and the formula, we can know that n is equal to 4. So that you are replacing n is equal to 4 in the power rule. Therefore, it becomes d by dx of x bar 4 is equal to 4 into x bar 4 minus 1, which gives the answer as 4x bar 3. Therefore, d by dx of x bar 4 is equal to 4x cube. Now we are going to see the sum rule. The question is d by dx of 3x square plus 5x. We are coming to the solution. Differentiate each term separately. That is, we have to take d by dx of 3x square first and then d by dx of 5x. We are going to see the answer for d by dx of 3x square, which is equal to 3 into 2 into x bar 2 minus 1, which is equal to 6 into x using the power rule. Now we are going to consider d by dx of 5x, which is equal to 5, since the power of x is 1. Therefore, the answer for d by dx of 3x square plus 5x is 6x plus 5. Now the trigonometric derivative, d by dx of sin x. Recall the standard result, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Therefore, no further simplification is needed for this particular sum. This is a direct standard derivative. Therefore, we are writing d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. This is the exponential derivative, d by dx of e bar x. The exponential function e bar x is its own derivative. Apply the standard formula directly. No further steps are required. Therefore, d by dx of e bar x is equal to e bar x. Now we are going to see the important method, that is differentiation by chain rule. It is used to differentiate a composite function, one function inside another. Let y is equal to f of u, where u is equal to g of x. Differentiate the outer function, keeping the inner function unchanged. Multiply by the derivative of the inner function. Formula is, if y is equal to f of u and u is equal to g of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx, which can be again written as f dash of u into g dash of x. We are going to see the chain rule example. The sum is d by dx of x square plus 1 the whole power 5. Now we have to consider the terms which are inside braces as u, so that u is equal to x square plus 1. So y is equal to u power 5. Now we have to take dy by du, which is equal to 5 into u power 5 minus 1 using power rule. That becomes 5u power 4. And du by dx is equal to 2x. We are going to apply the chain rule now. Dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. That is equal to 5u power 4 into 2x. 5 into 2 is 10, u power 4 x. We are replacing u is equal to x square plus 1, so that the answer becomes 10x into x square plus 1 the whole power 4. Thus, differentiation finds the rate of change or slope of the tangent. Apply power, sum and constant multiple rules for easy problems. Standard derivatives of x power n, e power x, sin x, cos x must be memorized. Chain rule handles composite functions one inside another. The derivative of a constant is always 0. Thank you all.